Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how you could use the right-hand side of a Happier Camper Traveler to sleep a couple more people. Enjoy it. Someone was asking me recently, like, how many people did I think you could sleep in the camper? And I think it's a lot. I'm just showing the right-hand side of the camper when you walk in. And the way I just kitted it out was I've just got the cubes on either side and one single tabletop in the middle. So if we didn't have the fridge, then you'd have a third cube here. And so the cubes are 20 inches long, so that's 5 feet. You've got the extra play of the wraparound cushions around the side. So, you're probably talking 5'6" if you want to sleep this way. And so if I had kids and I was camping with them, I might set it up like this. Have the table low as like a bedside table, and then have a kid here and a kid here. You could block the entrance with a third cube if it was, again, someone who is a little bit taller, and that would work fine. The alternative is, I think I showed this in an earlier video, but you use these foldable cushions and you can go this way. And I think that a person 6'2" comfortably fits side to side, because these are 20 inches a piece. That's going to get you times 3, 60 inches. And I think these are maybe 6 or 7 inches. So maybe let's call it 72 inches side to side. So yeah, about 6 feet tall. So that works pretty nicely.